If you plan on offering SEO auditing services to your clients, there are several questions that you'll want to ask them before you get started. On the other hand, if you will just be doing this for your own personal or business websites, there are still some questions that you'll want to think about before you get started. The first is you want to know if any previous search engine optimization work has been done. And if there has been, are they able to furnish any reports from that previous work? Because you want to know where the other company focused their efforts. And you want to see what work has actually been done. But you want to know, whether this is for yourself or for your client, what are the goals for doing an SEO audit? What do you hope to achieve? What do you hope to get out of it? You also want to look at what are the most important pages, as well as products and services on the website. Because not only do you want to drive traffic to your website, you want to convert those visitors. And we also want to know where we want to focus our efforts, especially if you're dealing with a 100-page website. You want to start with the most important pages. What other advertising has the website used? What's their current marketing strategy? Do they use pay-per-click ads? Are they on social media? And are the website statistics currently being tracked? We want to be able to go in and look at what the current traffic looks like. We want to see how many visitors they're getting to their site. We want to see what are the most popular pages and so on. And lastly, if you're doing this for a client, you want to ask, is there anything I missed that you think I should know? Because you never know if there's something else that may have happened with the website that you will not get from asking those initial questions. And by opening it up to the customer, you're giving them an opportunity to share with you anything that may have happened or anything that they have noticed with their traffic or even competitors.